Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I know that all of you are waiting for the RRB PU means result so you can start the preparation of interview. Already few people have started. I know that कुछ candidates ने start कर दिया but almost majority अभी भी wait कर रहे हैं कि result आ जाए फिर हम start करें. So result is already late. You are aware about it. Last week end तक result आ जाना चाहिए था but we have not seen the result till now on the IBPS website. We can expect it on Tuesday and Wednesday. Yes. We can expect it on Tuesday and Wednesday this week. Wednesday तक आने के काफी heavy chances हैं. आ सकता है result. So be ready for that. All the best for your result. Now what will be the roadmap that how you should start the preparation of your interview? आपको अपना interview का preparation start कैसे करना है, क्या क्या important topics हैं that I am going to tell you within this small video. So be there till end of the video. You'll be able to get the complete idea. Talking about the exact topics, exact what are the things you should start with. सबसे पहला काम करिए आप, start working over your profile. अपने profile पर काम करिए. What is the meaning of profile, sir? Start from your name. Start from the name. What is the meaning of your name? Why your family member kept this name? But एक idea ले सकते हो. नहीं पता है, you can tell that, sir, I don't know why my family member kept this name. No problem. But you should get the idea. At least get the name, that what is the meaning of your name. Start from here, then move to your city, family background, any major historical place which is located nearby your hometown, or any product which is a GI tag famous in your city. All of these things you should cover. Make your introduction properly, that how you are going to introduce yourself. So introduction काफी important है. Everyone do not get opportunity to introduce themselves directly. बहुत कम लोगों से वो डायरेक्टली पूछते हैं ओके स्टार्ट विथ योर इंट्रोडक्शन. मैक्सिमम 2 to 3 people out of 10. So your introduction should be awesome. So this all thing you should prepare in your profile discussion for the RRBP interview. After that, move to the basics of banking. What is bank? What are the functions of bank? How do banks generate profit? How the banks are different from NBFC? What are the major products of bank? What are the primary functions of bank? What are the secondary functions of bank? तो बैंक के बारे में basic idea ले लीजिए. How RRBs are different from nationalized bank? ये point हो गया. After that, move to NABARD. NABARD, lead bank, MSME, KCC. Why MSMEs are important in India? KCC, Kisan Credit Card. How KCC is different from the other agriculture loan? So every product regarding which are mainly offered by RRB. Then NPA resolution process. It is very, very important. I have already done 2 sessions based on NPA, agricultural resolution, that is how to resolve agricultural NPA. आपसे वो पूछते हैं if you have been appointed as a RRB PO in a bank branch, the NPA of that branch is high, how you are going to resolve the NPA problem of your bank branch. तो आपको बताना होगा कि भाई मैं RRB PO की तरह की पोजीशन पर एग्रीकल्चरल एनपीए को कैसे रिजॉल्व करूंगा, क्या क्या लीगल फ्रेमवर्क अवेलेबल है. सो दैट एवरीथिंग यू नीड टू कवर. ठीक है. देन आरबीआई इंपॉर्टेंट सर्कुलर फॉर आरआरबीज इन इंडिया, दैट व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट सर्कुलर रिगार्डिंग रीजनल रूरल बैंक. आरआरबी अमेंडमेंट एक्ट है वो भी कवर करना है. रीसेंट सर्कुलर्स ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया विच आर रिलेटेड टू आइदर स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक और कोऑपरेटिव बैंक और आरआरबी, दे आर गोइंग टू बी इंपॉर्टेंट. Then there are few topics which are like, if you will be able to observe, every topic is completely targeted to RRB. Then crop insurance. What are the different type of crop insurance available in India? What are the different type of crops are available in India? Which state is the largest producer of this particular crop? Modern irrigation methods in India. These are the point. Then RBI priority sector lending related question. PSL is very, very important topic, especially what is the meaning of a small and marginal farmer? What is the lending criteria of PSL to the small and marginal farmer? ये सारी चीजें आपको पता होना चाहिए. Now move to the previous year interview question. What were the majorly asked question in the last 5 years? वो cover करिए. Then current issues. Current issues में best example आपको दे दूं, UPS, Unified Pension Scheme है. Recently Supreme Court of India have made changes in the insignia of Supreme Court, statute of law. तो उनमें जो चेंजेस हुए, ऐसे जो न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस वाले टॉपिक है, दैट यू नीड टू कवर इन द करंट अपडेट. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली द पैटर्न बेस्ड ऑन विच यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट 95% ऑफ योर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन. 5% चांसेस हैं दे कैन आस्क यू दैट हाउ मेनी सैटेलाइट्स आर देयर ओवर मार्स, कि मार्स के सैटेलाइट कितने हैं, रैंडमली पूछ सकते हैं. that is no one will be able to cover, but 95% interview questions will be from here, which I am telling you. This is exactly the schedule of my interview batch. Along with that, I am also going to provide you the complete basic banking awareness, which is important for the interview, like bank and NBFC, role of DICGC, types of account basic, types of collateral, types of ATM, what is the meaning of check, different type of check systems in India, priority sector lending, NEFT, RTGS, UPI, UPI Lite, UPI 123 Pay, USSD, what is the recent changes in the UPI Lite wallet, UPI 123 wallet, how USSD is different from UPI 123 Pay, both are offline transaction facility, everything you will be able to cover within the batch with the support of these sessions. तो ये सारी चीजें आपको cover कर लेनी है. You will be able to get everything, whatever I have told you in the form of roadmap. It is exactly the roadmap because I am following it for my students, those who have already enrolled in the batch. You can also follow it by your own or by enrolling into the batch. या तो आप खुद follow कर लीजिए या आप batch के through follow कर लीजिए. But it is exactly the roadmap for the success in the RRBP interview. Currently, you will be able to join the batch costing around 1500 rupees, 1530 के approximately cost होगा. But with 2 mock interview, where mock interview will be taken by me or any other guidely expert, mock 2 will be taken by our ex-panel member, those who have already taken the interviews of RRBPO in the previous year. So you can join the batch without any wastage of time. All the best for your interview, guys. Once your result is out, come back and do write in the chat box, in the comment box that you are in or not. All the best for your interview. Take care. Jai Hind.